Ever notice how your eyes already feel tired before the day even really starts? With screens, bright lights, and long hours of focus, our eyes work overtime. The good news is a few simple things you do in the morning can make a huge difference. In this video, I'm sharing 5 easy morning habits that help reduce eye strain, keep your eyes comfortable, and support healthy vision all day long. Drink a glass of water soon after waking up to help keep your eyes hydrated. After several hours of sleep, your body wakes up slightly dehydrated, and your eyes are no exception. Many people notice that their eyes feel dry, sticky, or slightly blurry in the morning, and one simple reason is that the body hasn't had water for the entire night. Starting your day with a full glass of water helps restore fluid balance and supports healthy tear production, which is essential for comfortable vision throughout the day. Tears are not just emotional responses, they form a protective layer that keeps the eyes moist, washes away dust, and helps maintain clear vision. When you're dehydrated, tear production can decrease, which can lead to irritation, redness, and eye fatigue later in the day. Making morning hydration a habit is easy. Keep a glass or bottle of water next to your bed, so you remember to drink it as soon as you wake up. This small action can also help you feel more alert and energized overall. If you work in front of screens for long hours, starting the day hydrated can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable your eyes feel by afternoon. You can also pair this habit with opening the curtains and letting natural light in, giving your eyes a gentle start to the day. Think of it as the first step in preparing your eyes for everything they will do: reading, focusing, scrolling, and observing the world around you. A simple glass of water may seem small, but it plays a surprisingly important role in keeping your eyes refreshed and supported from morning to night. Spend a few minutes looking at natural light in the morning to gently wake up your eyes. Your eyes and brain work together to regulate your body's internal clock, and morning light plays a big role in this process. When natural light reaches your eyes early in the day, it signals to your brain that it's time to wake up and become alert. This helps regulate sleep cycles, improves mood, and supports overall eye comfort. Many people wake up and immediately look at a bright phone screen in a dim room, which can strain the eyes right away. Instead, try opening your curtains or stepping outside for a few minutes. You don't need to stare directly at the sun. Simply being in natural daylight and letting your eyes adjust to the brightness is enough. This gentle exposure helps your pupils and visual system transition smoothly from sleep to daytime activity. Morning light can also reduce the feeling of grogginess that many people experience after waking up. A short walk outside, watering plants on the balcony, or simply sitting near a window while you drink your morning water can give your eyes a healthy start. For people who spend most of the day indoors under artificial lighting, these few minutes of natural light become even more valuable. It reminds your visual system what real daylight looks like and helps your eyes adapt better to different lighting conditions throughout the day. Building this habit doesn't take much effort, but over time, it can help your eyes feel more comfortable and your mind more alert. Think of morning light as a natural signal that gently switches your eyes and brain into daytime mode. Do simple eye movements or eye exercises for about a minute to loosen up your eye muscles. Just like stretching your body in the morning helps your muscles feel ready for the day, gentle eye movements can help prepare your eyes for hours of focusing. Many people jump straight into reading messages, working on a computer, or scrolling through their phones right after waking up. That means the eye muscles immediately start working hard without any warm-up. A quick 1-minute routine can make a difference. Start by slowly looking up, down, left, and right without moving your head. Then try gently rolling your eyes in a circle in one direction and then the other. Another helpful exercise is focusing on something close to you, like your finger, and then shifting your focus to something farther away, across the room. These simple movements activate different eye muscles and help improve flexibility in your focusing system. They can also reduce the stiffness or tired feeling that sometimes happens when eyes stay fixed on one distance for too long, especially during screen use later in the day. The key is to keep the movement slow and relaxed, not forced. This isn't about intense exercise, it's just a light wake-up for your visual system. You can do these movements while sitting on your bed, standing near a window, or even while brushing your teeth. Over time, this tiny habit helps remind your eyes to move and refocus naturally instead of staying locked in one position for hours. Preparing your eyes with gentle movement in the morning can help reduce strain and make it easier for them to handle the visual demands of the day ahead. Wash your eyes and face with clean, cool water to refresh and remove overnight buildup. During sleep, your eyes continue producing oils, tears, and small amounts of discharge that can collect around the eyelids and lashes. This is completely normal, but if it stays on the skin or near the eyes, it can sometimes lead to irritation or that sticky feeling many people notice when they wake up. Gently washing your face and eyelids with cool or lukewarm water helps clear away this buildup and leaves your eyes feeling fresh. The cool temperature can also help reduce mild puffiness around the eyes, especially if you didn't sleep well the night before. When washing your face, avoid rubbing your eyes aggressively because the skin around the eyes is delicate and easy to irritate. Instead, use gentle splashes of water and lightly clean the eyelid area with your fingertips. This simple routine can also help people who experience mild eye allergies, as it removes small particles like dust or pollen that may have settled overnight. Another benefit is that it signals your brain that the day is beginning, helping you feel more awake. Many people find that their eyes feel clearer and more comfortable after this quick refresh. If you wear contact lenses later in the day, starting with clean eyes and eyelids can also support better eye hygiene. This habit takes less than a minute but can greatly improve how your eyes feel throughout the morning. A quick splash of clean water is one of the simplest ways to start the day with eyes that feel awake, clean, and comfortable. Avoid checking your phone immediately after waking up to reduce early morning eye strain. For many people, the first thing they do in the morning is reach for their phone to check messages, social media, or news updates. While it may feel like a quick and harmless habit, this can actually put sudden strain on your eyes. When you wake up, your eyes are still adjusting from the low light environment of sleep. Immediately focusing on a bright screen at a very close distance forces your eyes to work harder than they need to. The small text, high brightness, and constant scrolling can make your eye muscles tense before they've even had a chance to fully wake up. Instead, try giving your eyes a few minutes before exposing them to screens. Use that time to stretch, drink water, open the curtains, or walk around your room. Allowing your eyes to gradually adjust to natural light first makes the transition to digital screens much easier. If you rely on your phone as an alarm, consider turning off the alarm and then placing the phone down for a few minutes, rather than immediately diving into notifications. This small delay protects your eyes from unnecessary strain and can also improve your mental focus at the start of the day. Many people notice they feel calmer and less rushed when they don't begin the morning with a flood of digital information. Giving your eyes a gentle start instead of an instant screen blast helps them stay more comfortable and less fatigued throughout the day, especially if your work involves long hours with digital devices.